In front of me is Lenovo Yoga Tab 11, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to a printer. You need to start by going into Settings and clicking on Connected Devices. Now choose Connection Preferences and tap on Printing. Following that, just tap on Default Print Service and wait. Your device is now looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it right away. If you want to use different print service, you need to disable this one by tapping on this switcher next to Use Print Service. Then click on the back button and choose Add Service. From here, select the best printing service for you. In my case, HP one. Download it, and when it's ready, tap on the back button twice. Last but not least, click on your new service and wait as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!